Hi everyone! Welcome to today's demo. We'll be reviewing the Connection Manager feature, which is designed to visualize fiber core splicing and port connections. The Connection Manager is a powerful visual tool designed for managing fiber splicing and port connections within network infrastructure. It allows users to easily view and manage fiber cores and port connections from both web and mobile applications, enabling on-the-go adjustments for efficient network updates anytime. The interactive graph also supports drag and drop actions, making connection management intuitive and seamless. So what are the benefits of our Connection Manager features? Real-time port availability for sales and planning. Maintain a real-time, accurate database to instantly identify available ports, supporting efficient sales and capacity planning. Instant connection visibility for faster troubleshooting. Quickly identify connection paths to streamline troubleshooting, enabling faster resolution of customer issues and reducing downtime. Simplified connection management. Interactive graphs for network equipment enable users to easily manage connections with drag and drop actions. This user-friendly interface reduces the complexity of configuring, modifying, or removing connections, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Fiber splicing is linked to the segments along a fiber route and can be dynamically updated as splicing configurations change. While port statuses in the asset database are continuously tracked and adjusted to reflect network growth. There are two ways to interact with the Connection Manager for these assets. Click on a map assets. You can directly click on any asset displayed on the map to access its details. Navigate to Related List. Alternatively, you can go to the Related List section under the form to view and select assets for more in-depth information. Now, let's transition to the Optical Distribution Frame or ODF for a closer look. Here, we are on the ODF form. In the Main tab, you can view all the essential asset information. I'd like to draw your attention to the Count of Port field. This critical value is used to generate and display the ports on the Connection Manager graph, defining how many ports are available for connections. As you can see, we currently have 12 connectors. Out of these 12 connections, you will see the free ports and used ports. As you can see here, we have 2 used ports and 10 free ports. For ODFs, we manage 2 panels, the front panel and the back panel. Let's start by focusing on the back panel, where we can see the fiber cable connection set up at the rear of the ODF. The connector graph is interactive, allowing you to perform several actions. For instance, if you need to remove a fiber core or port connection, simply click on the line representing the connection. The system will prompt you for a confirmation to delete this connection. Confirm your choice, and the connection will be removed. You can also manually connect fiber cores and ports using a drag and drop action. Just click on the port on one side of the connector graph and drag it to the corresponding fiber core on the other side. This creates a direct connection between the two, reflected in real time on the graph. Please note that you can connect fiber cores or ports not only to the corresponding counterparts, but also across different positions. Now, let's move to the front panel of the ODF, where we have 3 available colors. Gray ports, free and available for use. Blue ports, indicating a connection to an asset within the current graph. Red ports, indicating that the port is already occupied by an asset outside of this graph. I'll drag the port and drop it onto a gray port, which as mentioned is free and available. Now, let's attempt to connect to a red port, which is already taken by another asset outside the graph. As you will see, when trying to drag and drop a port onto the red port, the system will prevent the connection since it's already in use elsewhere. Now, let's take a moment to explore how all these features are also available in our mobile client app. This mobile version allows you to manage fiber connections and monitor your network infrastructure on the go. Just like in our portal, there are two convenient ways to interact with the connection manager for network assets. Using the Open Map feature. Simply tap Open Map on the mobile client to access the map view. Here, you'll see various assets displayed across the network. To view the details of a specific asset, tap on it directly. As you do this, the app will display a detailed view including all relevant information about the asset such as its status, connection details, and any updates. Navigating via Related List. You can go to the Related List section in the form. Just click on an asset from this section and you'll be able to see all the detailed information about that particular asset. This seamless interaction in the map view allows you to effectively manage and visualize network assets on the go, ensuring that all the necessary information is readily available for efficient operations. Let's navigate to the closure section on our mobile client, where we can easily manage fiber connections just like in the portal. Go to the Connection tab, and let's manually connect fiber cores. Tap on a fiber core from one side, then click the desired fiber core you want to connect. The app will establish the connection, and you will see the new connection line appear, showing that the fibers are now linked. One-to-one connection. If you want to quickly set up automatic connections, simply tap the one-to-one button. This will connect the corresponding fiber cores from one segment to the matching cores of another segment, streamlining the process of setting up standard connections. Clear CG or Clear Connection Graph. In cases where you need to remove all existing connections, use the Clear CG option. Tap this button, and all your connections will be instantly cleared, providing a clean slate for new configurations. In summary, this tool simplifies network management through its interactive graphs and drag and drop capabilities, supporting faster troubleshooting, efficient planning, and clear intuitive control over your network's connections. With access across both web and mobile applications, the Connection Manager provides seamless connectivity management, empowering teams to make network changes and monitor infrastructure on the go. Whether through visualizing connection paths, identifying port statuses, or managing connections across different devices, the Connection Manager is designed to keep your network resilient and your operations efficient. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.